In one of our recent videos, we got this comment. Is the idea of a handle or a wraparound handle off the board again? No, it's been right here the whole time. If you remember in some previous videos, Ken was working on a way to try to help this glass crock be a little easier to handle. So he made a handle, and apparently you all like the idea of a handle. So you have asked, and I've been playing around with the idea of different materials, different shapes, ergonomics. How would somebody use this? Does it look too much like a coffee pot? Like all of those things. And so we need your reactions to this idea. Should it be just a big fat band like sourdough users are used to on their crock? Should it be one handle? Should it be two? Should it be a big Velcro strap? So what do you think about this prototype idea? Is it too coffee pot-ish? Is it not kettlebell enough? Like, let me know what you think in those comments down below so that we can make something truly awesome for the Sourdough Sidekick. Now, the idea is not to permanently attach a handle to the crock. We still want you to use it like you know and love. It would be removable somehow, and this is what we have to find out. The whole idea started that maybe not everybody has the dexterity to be able to pull out this crock and safely have it in their hand, especially if you've got wet hands and things like that. So the idea being that you could attach this after the fact, it wouldn't be permanently affixed, and that you could add this to the unit just like so. And when you're done and you're ready to pull it out, comes out really easily. You could take it off, throw it in the dishwasher. So keep looking out for more Sourdough Sidekick updates. Let me know in the comments what you think about the handle, this one, or the idea of a handle in general. We read all the comments and we love them. So go down in that comment section, give us some feedback so that we can make something amazing. And also stay tuned for more Sourdough Sidekick videos.